Hello and welcome to this quick demonstration on how to use Printix in a Microsoft Windows Virtual Desktop environment. In this video, we are going to show you how to download and install Printix client onto a Windows Virtual Desktop, automatically deploy printer queues, print to a printer at Printix HQ in Copenhagen. A footnote worth mentioning: in order to make this work, we do not require any additional hardware, VPNs or embedded software on the printers. All we need is Printix client. So here we have our Printix tenant that has been set up prior to this demo. We've discovered two printers in the Printix HQ in Copenhagen. These two devices each have one printer queue, and each of those printer queues are highlighted to automatically install and are available via the cloud. So now all we need to do is go to the Windows Virtual Desktop, which I'm going to do just in a second, download and install Printix client, sign in, and we'll have these two printer queues installed in our Windows Virtual Desktop. Let's jump over to the Windows Virtual Desktop. So here we are. We don't have any physical printer queues installed so far, and let's quickly take a look at the system properties on this machine. We can see this is indeed a Windows 10 Enterprise for virtual desktops. And I've navigated to the download link for Printix client on this computer. Another way of deploying Printix client would of course be through Intune, SSCM or any other software deployment tools, or integrating it straight into the master image. To save some time, I'm going to speed up the recording showing the installation of Printix client and signing in. So here we are, we're signed into Printix client, and as we can see, the printer queues are deploying automatically without me having to do anything. From here, the end user experience is I would go to my application, open the document I'd like to print, my email, my Excel sheet, my Word document, whatever it might be, and then print that. Control P opens the standard Windows printing dialog. I'll choose the Lexmark printer queue that was just deployed automatically. I could of course now go and do any kind of print job setup. This is the native manufacturer driver. Say OK and print. Printix is now going to realize that this document needs to be transferred through the cloud, which has just happened. You might hear my printer spin up in the background. And that's how easy it is to print through Printix on a Windows Virtual Desktop. Thank you.